Picture this, a blacksmith, muscles bulging, hammering a piece of metal that glows red hot. Sparks fly, the air crackles with heat, and with each strike, the metal changes shape. This is the magic of metallurgy, the art and science of working with metals. From the towering skyscrapers that pierce the clouds to the sleek smartphones in our pockets, metals are the backbone of our modern world. Metallurgy is the reason we can have all of these incredible things. It's the science that unlocks the secrets of metals and allows us to shape them into the objects we use every day. But what exactly is metallurgy? Simply put, it's the study of metals and how they behave. It's about understanding how to extract metals from the earth, how to refine them, and how to transform them into everything from cars and airplanes to bridges and surgical instruments. Without metallurgy, our world would look drastically different. We wouldn't have the tools, the technology, or the infrastructure that we rely on every single day. Believe it or not, humans have been working with metals for a very long time. We're talking thousands of years. Our ancestors discovered the magic of metals early on, and it's amazing to think about how they figured it all out without the technology we have today. One of the first metals humans used was gold. It's shiny and pretty, plus it doesn't rust, so it was a perfect choice for jewelry and decorations. Then came copper. People discovered they could make tools and weapons out of copper, which was a big deal back then. As humans learned more, we entered the Bronze Age. This is when people figured out how to combine copper with tin to make bronze. Bronze was even stronger than copper, and it was used to make even better tools and weapons. This period was followed by the Iron Age, which was a total game changer. Iron is more difficult to work with than bronze, but it's also much stronger. This meant people could make even better tools, weapons, and even armor. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution and things really started to heat up. New technologies allowed for mass production and suddenly, metal was everywhere. This era brought about incredible advancements in metallurgy, paving the way for the modern world we know today. So how do we actually get metal from the earth? It's a fascinating process that involves several steps. First, we have to find the metal. Metals are found in rocks called ores, and these ores are often buried deep underground. This is where mining comes in. Miners work hard to extract these valuable ores from the earth. Once the ore is out of the ground, it needs to be processed. This involves crushing and grinding the ore into a fine powder. Think of it like making juice, but instead of fruit, we're using rocks. Next, we need to separate the metal from the rest of the ore, which is done using various techniques like using magnets or even bubbles to separate the metal. Now comes the really exciting part. Extracting the metal. This can be done in a few different ways, but one common method is called smelting. Smelting uses heat to melt the metal and separate it from the other materials. It's like something out of a science fiction movie, with giant furnaces and molten metal glowing like lava. Finally, the extracted metal needs to be refined and purified. This ensures that the metal is strong, durable, and free from any impurities. It's like giving the metal a spa day to make sure it's ready for prime time. Section 4. Metal Magic, the science behind it all. Metallurgy isn't just about melting and shaping metal, it's about understanding the science behind it all. Metals are made up of tiny particles called atoms, and these atoms are arranged in a specific way that gives metals their unique properties. For example, the way atoms are arranged in a piece of metal determines how strong and flexible it is. It's like a giant puzzle, and metallurgists are the puzzle masters. Metallurgists use their knowledge of chemistry and physics to manipulate the properties of metals. They can add other elements to metals to create alloys, which are like supermetals with enhanced properties. For instance, stainless steel is an alloy of iron, chromium, and nickel, and it's known for its strength and resistance to corrosion. That's why we use stainless steel for everything from kitchen sinks to skyscrapers. Metallurgy is a constantly evolving field, with new discoveries and innovations happening all the time. Scientists are constantly working to develop new metals and alloys that are stronger, lighter, and more durable than ever before. Section 5. Metals in action applications we see every day. Metals are literally everywhere. We use them in our homes, our cars, our electronics, and even in our bodies. Think about it, your car is made mostly of steel, which is an alloy of iron and carbon. The aluminum in your soda can was once extracted from bauxite ore. The titanium in your eyeglasses is known for its strength and lightweight properties. Metals are also essential for advanced technologies. Aerospace engineers rely on titanium and other high-performance alloys to build rockets and airplanes. Medical professionals use titanium and stainless steel for implants and surgical instruments. And let's not forget about our beloved smartphones. Did you know that your smartphone contains over 30 different types of metals? From the gold in the circuitry to the aluminum in the casing, metals make our digital lives possible. The applications of metallurgy are truly limitless, and as technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for metals in the future. Section 6. Conclusion: the future is metallic. Metallurgy is a fascinating field that plays a vital role in our lives. From the ancient art of blacksmithing to the cutting-edge science of material science, metallurgy has shaped our world in countless ways. As we look to the future, metallurgy will continue to be a driving force behind innovation and progress. Who knows what incredible new metals and alloys scientists will discover next? Perhaps we'll find even stronger and lighter materials for building spacecraft or develop new alloys that can withstand the harshest conditions on Earth and beyond. So the next time you see a gleaming skyscraper, a sleek sports car, or even a simple paperclip, take a moment to appreciate the wonders of metallurgy. It's the science that makes our modern world possible, and its future is as bright and shiny as the metals themselves. Now let's talk about you. What's your favorite metal and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family so they can learn about the amazing world of metallurgy too.